Hello everyone, so I've just got a new keyboard, Advanced MK540 from Logitech, and I will be doing an unboxing and I'll show you what it looks like, what the box contains. So I was using this earlier. This was a Logitech K800, and so this suddenly stopped working. The key broke and then it was not working anymore, so I had to buy a new one. So this is going in trash, and this too. So let's do the unboxing of this MK540. Let's see the box. It has a keyboard. It's a combo pack. It's got a keyboard and it's also got a full size mouse. 36 months battery life, 18-month battery life for the mouse. Just says Advanced MK540 from Logitech. Sorry. And so it's got wireless, direct access to media controls, keyboard, mouse, and works on Windows. Nothing much, and just shows you the side of it, how it looks like from the side. So it's good. It's got the armrest support as well. That is the only reason I chose to buy this. It's got this armrest support and a mouse as well. So let's do the unboxing and see. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so let's bring this out. So we have the mouse, and they've put the dongle on the box. Quite stupid of them to do that. What if I throw the box? But anyways, and then we have the actual keyboard. So nothing else in the bag. Oh, it's just empty. Nothing else in the bag. Yep. So let's keep this here. Let's do the unboxing. So we've got a full size mouse. So you can see it's a full size mouse from Logitech. Very nicely fits in the palm of your hand. It's not a baby mouse, so it's a full size mouse. I'll also compare it to the Logitech mouse that I'll show you. So I have these two another Logitech mouse, whatever you want. M235. This is B170. These are two mini mouses, so the size is very small, and this one is a relatively like a bigger mouse. Let me show you this on the table. So, and then this is the wired mouse that I'm using currently. So it's I'll zoom in a little bit and show you guys. So this is the size comparison. Very small, doesn't fit in my hand. This is also a Logitech, very small. This one's fairly good, fits in your hand. And then this is a Dell mouse. There's a video of unboxing of this Dell mouse as well. This is the model MS3220T. Quite my daily driver. It's pretty dirty and but works fine. Look at this, my finger did this. So anyway, so I'm used to this mouse, and I think this should also be very comfortable. This is very comfortable. This is also quite comfortable, but I'll be using this from now. So this is again full size mouse. That's very good. Otherwise you get all the compact mouses in combos. So this is a compact mouse. This is also a compact mouse. This is a full size mouse. So now and then this is the adapter. It has the unifying logo on it. Let's open and see. Oh, they've given you a Duracell inside it. Just pull the tab and it should work. There's also a place to store the unifying driver as well. So I already have a unifying driver which I got from my previous keyboard, the one which broke, so I can use any of them. That's the beauty of the unifying one. So I can use the old unifying driver, and this one I can keep as a spare. So just open it, and then this is good to go. Switch off and switch on. See, there's a light too. Okay, and coming to the keyboard, let's zoom out. So the keyboard looks, it's not black, it's sort of gray. So the keyboard, some documentation which I don't need. So this is how the keyboard looks like. It's gray in color, it's not black. And 3 multimedia keys here, 3 multimedia keys here, an on off button. This is a slider, and then let's see the keys. So it's quite silent, it's not as noisy as I thought. Very comfortable, especially it has the handrest as well. So this handrest is the only thing that made me buy this. 540 is the number of this keyboard, and another different thing is it's got 2 inclines. One is an 8-degree incline, and then you can also do half of it, so it becomes this is like a 4-degree incline now. This is a 4-degree incline, and also an 8-degree incline, and then 0. So this is like 3 settings, 1, 2 and 3 heights you can choose here. So I always like the bigger height. Space for your battery, and so this is your 2 batteries inside already. That's a good thing that they've given it to you ready, and they've also given you a place to keep your adapter here. This is very interesting. So they've given you one adapter only, which works with both the keyboard and the mouse. So I'm going to store this extra adapter here, and I'm going to use my older unifying adapter. Very good. This is very thoughtful of them to give this for storage. So you get only one unifying adapter with both with 2 devices. All right, yes, but there are 2 slots to keep the adapter thingy, but it will work with both of them. So I'm storing the extra one. I don't need it. I have activated the battery, and closed, and this is the keyboard. Very nice to type. You can listen to the nice noise. I got this from my Logitech store for 3,800. On Amazon.com this is quite costly. It's around 4,600. And so this is the Logitech keyboard. Let's switch it on. Oops, it's already on. Now it's on. You can see the light as well. It's got a caps lock light, but it's not working right now. And Does it have a numpad indicator? Okay, so let's connect it with our laptop and see how it works. But overall this looks nice. The feel is very nice, very soft, looks very premium. And if I compare it to the size of my older one, it is very similar. So it's the length and the width is quite similar, like almost similar to what I had earlier, the older model, the K800. And so this was the K800, very similar to the K800, which is now broken. It had an 8-degree incline only. The current one has 4 and 8, and then the 0, 1, so 3 levels here. This is actually quite similar. If I keep them side by side, they're very similar. Let me show you. If you just keep them on side by side, they are quite similar, very similar in shape and in size. So I'm happy that I've got something very similar. So I'm used to this keyboard. I've got this. Alright, so I'll connect and give it a go, and we'll see how it looks like. So this is your Logitech combo with a mouse, a full-size mouse, and a full-size keyboard, and one adapter as well. Some documentation. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know. This is an expensive keyboard combo, so I hope this video helps. Thank you.